You want to see my phone now?
Okay, fine, I'm gonna end it.
My hobby, my chef.
Something toxic.
Okay, my Robbie. Okay, my Robbie. Yeah, one. Okay, my Robbie.
Needing use an irresistible light. You said you and the air was all that I needed not to die. A terrible, terrible high.
As fresh as.
I don't know
Fresh. Look at the compression.
how this goes, but there's something in the water that you don't wanna talk about. Cut me loose, you refuse. Is there something
Our handsome hubby is making a special food.
Said goodbye and then I put you in my pocket in case somehow I forget I don't need you and lose my breath. A terrible, terrible end. You keep tugging that invisible thread. If I hold you
I copy my chef, handsome man.
my head, a terrible, terrible bed.
Okay, my Robbie, here.
But I don't know.
So guys, I said, I'm craving for yam porridge with green. And boom, I said it the day before yesterday. Oga came back with green. Because you see this vegetable, we barely see it here. Boom, I don't know where he got it from. He just landed. And this morning, before I even wake up, he don't enter kitchen. He don't enter kitchen. Men wey dey enter kitchen and dem be the real odogu. Forget those of them wey no sabi cook hot water. Na men wey dey enter kitchen because of their wife and kids, na dem be the real odogus. Cook all the cookable, all the cookies, cookable. Smile na, smile. Na dem be the real odogu. And as he's cooking, he's washing, he's raising everything. He did a wonderful, great job. That's why I don't play with her. Don't joke with that woman. I don't joke with her at all. If you joke with her for me, you don't enter wahala. Only odogus can do this. The real odogus. Yes. I even know we are doing.